Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you want to earn this badge, AWS Knowledge Amazon Q Developer Fundamentals Training Badge, so please complete this video. So, you will be learning how you are going to get this badge to your account so that you can show it on your LinkedIn or you can show it on your resume that you know the Amazon Q Developer Fundamentals, which is AWS Generative AI. So let's get started. So here I will be sharing this link to you on the description box. You have to come to this URL. You have to enroll here, and once you enroll, you will be having 10 modules to complete. First is introduction to Amazon Q Developer Technical. Then that is includes 15 minutes, very short in time. Next, you have to set up the Amazon Q Developer. That will be 20 minutes of time. Then software development with Amazon Q Developer, that will be 30 minutes of time, and that's like includes the different modules: Amazon Q Developer, software development with Q Developer, Amazon Q Developer in action, boosting developer productivity, the knowledge take, and the conclusion. Then you will be having a digital course where you will be exploring Amazon Q developer transformation. Then you will be coming to another digital course, which is Amazon Q developer command line interface, which is CLI. Then you will be coming to managing operations on AWS with Amazon Q developer. Then you will be coming up to the next digital course, which is customization in Amazon Q developer. And next you will be coming to prompt engineering with Amazon Q developer. Then you will be coming with GitLab Duo with Amazon Q. And last but not the least, you will be coming with the assessment, which is Amazon Q Developer Fundamental Knowledge Badge Assessment. Once you complete the 60 question assessment and you acquire more than 80% or 80%, then you will be getting this badge at your Credly account, and you will having unlimited attempts to pass this assessment. That means you can pass at any time. If you like this course, so you can put a feedback to AWS, so AWS can work on their on your feedback that how they are going to improve their course in coming days. So that was a short video, just to put an update. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and put a comment if you have any comment or suggestion for me. And if you want to share this video, feel free to share this video so that knowledge can be shared to other people and knowledge is free from Saurabh. So see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.